as Nvidia earnings dropped today, guys, we beat expectations, we beat revenue, but yet still Nvidia decided to take a dip and go down lower, guys. We're breaking down levels, guys, and we're going lower, guys. As you can see, the levels that we are breaking, this is not generally ideally good. We are basically sitting around 116 right now, breaking under this resistance area on my chart on the video, and you can see us breaking under this 119 area and getting flushed down all the way down to 90 area, guys. This is very important, and these are some critical things that you need to know about the market. We got the NQ, got the SPX, we got the QQQ showing some signs to the downside, guys, and I'm here to show y'all it. So let's get to it. Make sure I drop a like, subscribe, and let's get to it, guys. Anyway, guys, as you can see, guys, Nvidia is taking the dip after earnings have beat and revenue has beat, guys. This is absolutely uncalled for, man. We did not see this coming. Nobody saw this coming, and you can see we beat earnings, we beat estimates, and we still dipped down. Nvidia reports over 122 revenue growth on surging demand for data centers on chips, guys. But yet still we dipped down, guys. We are down about $10 today after the earnings supposedly beat. So guys, we are breaking down under crucial levels that y'all need to know. So we have a support level that we just broke under, and that was around 119 area. So watch for this lower low here to chase that 108 level next. You can see we've been selling off from that previous level right here. We went from 119 all the way down to this previous resistance level, breaking under it from to 190. So guys, please be careful. As you can see, the market is not showing any relative strength. The news is not showing us any relative strength. So please, really be careful. We are starting to show a downtrend here, guys. We are getting rejected off the 200 EMA now on the 2-hour. And it looks like we're going to be breaking on the 3-hour 200 EMA tomorrow, from breaking this 117 area all the way back down to 109. But let's not say anything too much about this. Let's not predict, but respond to the market. You know what I mean? And react to the market. But these are the levels I'm looking at, guys. If we break 122.65 on the video, watch for the downside to 118. And if we break 118, 117, 53, watch that to the downside to 111, 110 area. And if we break under 110, guys, watch this down to 196 area, guys. Just use your risk management correctly, guys. This is very important, the guys, that shall use your risk management. There's times in the markets that times are coming where we're gonna dip down. Look at this. This is the 4-hour. We're getting rejected once again above this trend level. See that? We already broke into this high with this low. Look at that. What I'm thinking is we're gonna come back down here lower like this, start making our lower lows. Little by little, we're gonna break under this low, and then we're gonna go target 75 even off of this, you know, where we curved up to go push all the way back up to 140. That's my thoughts. So please be careful, guys. You can see I gave you all my levels for Nvidia and what I'm expecting to watch for this Nvidia dump, or just, y'all can say the levels for Nvidia. Just please be careful. Make sure you're using your risk management. Next is NQ, guys. NQ is not looking good at all. It's actually looking good to the downside. You can see that on the daily we use this resistance area as support after breaking above it right here. Came down, support 1-2 touch, came out and target up highs and got rejected, and right here we're selling off of it now. You buy side to sell side now. That is not good, as in to the for the markets. You know, follow the trend. The trend is your friend, guys. So this upcoming month, make sure you're using your risk management and everything properly. Do not risk more than you can be afford to lose, guys. Okay, so we are making currently lower lows, and we're getting rejected off this 20k 20.025 area once again, from from buy side to sell side. Not just one confirmation, but double confirmation, closing out of this resistance area, rejection area. You see that? That's this NQ, guys. Well, I'll be watching if we break under 140.25. I'll be watching this to the downside to 18980.50, and then if we break under 18874.75, I'll be watching this to go down lower to 18591, guys. That's on NQ. Please be careful. The futures are on right now, and you can see we're currently moving, but we disrespected this level. We gotta see how we manage against this order block. Either we get rejected and back, we break this low to test this order block off this or this low, and we break under it, make that lower low into that next level, or we respect it and we come back up higher. But you can see on the volume profile, guys, we're sitting at the top and we're double topping on the daily. We're double topping, not double topping, but we're getting rejected. It's lower lows, guys. This is not good. If we look at the weekly, it's a lower low, double top. Look at that. 1, 2. That's a lower low. And where do we wick? We wicked all this low. The weeklies. This is not looking good ideally, guys. So just coming out this month of September, guys, please use your risk management wisely. Usually the month of September is the worst month out of all of them. But you can see those are the levels I'm going to be looking at for the NQ, guys. Like I said, if you want to take a screenshot of this, go for it. But those are the levels I'm going to be looking out on the NQ, guys. And real quick, guys, the member of the day, guys, today is going to be this guy, guys. Scrooge. I don't know if I said your name right, buddy, but if you're seeing this video, congrats to you, bro. You are the member of the day. You completely right. You ride Chewy and Affirm. And I believe that, oh wait, no, it was just Chewy that he got in, and I believe he was at work while he was in Chewy, and this shit rocketed. He swung him overnight, and you can see he closed 2 contracts for Chewy for 226.00 for today, an average fill of 259 per contract. You can see that another contract just got filled right there, and then for $320 in profit, and then another contract got filled for $440 in profit. And then we got another contract for the 30, one for 67, and then you got 4 contracts that got filled at 26 calls for this week at 169. That is some crazy profit there, guys. If you want to get shouted out like he did, guys, member of the week, guys, member of the day, congrats to him. This is a crazy play he was playing, guys. As you can see, look. He was kind of showing us here on what he was playing. These are his levels that he was looking at. You can see, look. This was his Chewy play. It's coming back. He was showing us support in the levels, and look at that. Look at this beautiful win to reward ratio right here, guys. He bought at the lows, and he sold at the top, knowing that was a 36.3 top. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, kudos to him, guys. Congrats to him. Fucking he banked. Members banked today, guys. Make sure y'all tune in, guys. Join the Discord. It's down below and it's all free, guys. We have all this tabs for free information, and all so much free education, guys. So congrats to him, guys, and let's keep going on with this. Some water. So guys, those are the levels for NQ. If y'all want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. But me personally, we're getting rejected off the EMAs where we crossed and sold off once again. Look, once again, where's our left hand side at? We're getting sold off right where EMAs crossed for sell side at first. I think we're going to down back to these lows on September. SPX just looking like a murder case. Double top on the daily, guys. We break under 5,560 with 95 cents. It's gonna be a murder case down to 5,446.56. This is not looking too good, guys. As you can see, this is looking like a perfect double top. As we can see, the first top. Look, this is our first top, second top, first top, second top, and then we got your neckline right here. Neckline is right here. or right here actually. Actually, yeah, right here. This neckline is right here, the support line. You can basically say this low right here. That's your neckline. You can kind of just imagine a line like this. So support all right there. So if we break under this line, I'm expecting this to fill a gap right here. We have a gap right here around 5495 all the way to 5495, well 5460 even, and then we have a tad bit of a gap at 5373, guys. But this is not looking good. Please use your risk reward manage properly, guys. Like I said, watch for this low to get rejected. This is a daily low at this 5,560.95 area. If we break this daily low on the SPX, guys, I'm expecting this SPX to go down to the previous next red candle, and that's all the way down here on the daily at 5,193. That's at least a 7% drop from now, guys, on the SPX. That's $400, 396 with 65 cents to be exact drop. So please be careful, guys, for these levels to get either be disrespected. Be patient enough to wait to see how these levels get either respected or disrespected. You can see at close we got rejected off this high. Well, this low basically after breaking it. But you can see, guys, where we're heading. Just please be careful and use your risk management. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to fucking tell y'all this. All right, guys. So watch for SPX to break down under those levels. We got 560.95, like I said, and then watch her go down next to down to 5502 even. And if we break under that, I'm expecting us to go to 5446.56. And then after we break that, guys, I'm expecting us to go down to 5345. And then after that, guys, I'm expecting us to go down to, if we break under that level, back down to these equal lows at 5192, guys. So watch for those levels, guys, to be disrespected or rejected, guys. Watch for this double top to absolutely come through and disrespect this market. And one other thing that's telling me that we're coming back down is on the daily, guys. This dip down that we had was they disrespecting this low. Yes, we found support around this double bottom, but at the same time, we don't find our support at the double bottoms. We find our support at the lows. Once again, we find our support at the lows. Okay? So you can see we wicked this and we broke under this low. And after this low on the monthly, weekly, you can see it's this next low. So I think after us hitting this 4953.50 area, I think that's where our bottom will be. So watch for like that, and then push right back up higher, just like that, for the month of September coming through, guys. Just because we already broke this low with a candle close, it's red too. It's red candle too. So watch for this candle to get wicked out or disrespected on the month of fucking September. So please, guys, watch out for those levels to get disrespected. And so now, guys, we're gonna give y'all the top plays. Two top plays for to watch out for tomorrow, guys. One of them is Hood. Alright, guys, and same thing for Hood. Alright, guys, and same thing for QQQs, guys. You can kind of see that we're getting rejected off the highs, and we're just creating lower lows. This double top right here on the weekly here, look. Double top right here. We got rejected here, and we're getting rejected here now. As you can see, guys, look at this. Rejection, rejection. Where's this low? All the way down here. This is not ideally the best fucking market you want to be trading here, guys. Look. Where did we get rejected off the left-hand side right before? This was today. Look, right at level the level. Disrespected and disrespected this level. So what I'm watching tomorrow is a break under that 468.38. After that, I will target 460, and after breaking 460, I will target after breaking this low, this 468, I'll target 458.40. After breaking 458.40, I'll target 448.55. After breaking 448.55, I will target 430. Let me tell you the exact numbers: 34, 38. And then the next number, I'll be targeting 424.71 if we break under that level. Guys, these are the levels I'm seeing, guys. Remember, guys, if we break under lower lows and we get counter close on the previous lows, remember, guys, that it was disrespecting lower lows. That is more confirmation down to the downside. Watch for these levels to get disrespected throughout September, guys, or throughout tomorrow, guys. We can have a fucking big liquidity sweep down, dip down, something, you never know. But this, I'm expecting, guys, this to dip down like that, retrace this low, and then dip down lower to this 458, and then break down lower, just little by little, to come down lower to that equal low, guys. Like I said, guys, watch out, guys. Watch for this QQQ. Ideally, guys, the market is giving us some signs of difficultiness, and some sellers are stepping in, guys. The market does not want to go higher for longer. The market wants to go lower. And that's what the market is giving us. So follow the trend, and the trend is your friend, guys. Okay, guys. So those are the levels for QQQ, guys. Watch the levels for QQQs to be disrespected. For tomorrow, guys. Take a screenshot if you like. Like I said, I'm dropping all this down below in the Discord. It's all free, guys. Free course, free options, call outs, just all out free course, free group, boys. We have so much free information there. Like I said, join up, guys. Just go check it out. So much free shit, free education, free option learning, free futures, dude. It's crazy amount of free information we got there. So, guys, we're gonna give you the top 2 setups we got going on for tomorrow. Setups, guys. So we got hood to the downside, guys. So we got hood sitting around this actually this support level where we close right exactly from, closing under the 200 EMA and my EMA's orbs on the 3-hour. If we break under the 4-hour 200 EMA, which is that 1992, this can easily flush back down to those equal lows at 17.95 average price. But guys, watch that out for tomorrow, guys. You can see that we're coming back into it as soon as we broke out of it before close, and we're retesting it that rejection line right before we close. And this is a resistance area that we sold off of it previously from $20 all the way down to 19, and then we recently had a dip down from this resistance highs because the market wanted to fucking dip down from 22 all the way down to fucking $13. That is insane. You know what I'm saying? So this is some high risk. I mean, not high risk, low risk, high reward here, guys. And this is to the downside. We got some puts. Thinking here around September 20th down to the 1650 area. Easily can bring those into the money. But guys, watch for the 1985 level to get disrespected. We get a candle close under that. You'll be entering short. Well, essentially what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter short after either choosing to break out above either this orb or this box I got going on right here, this resistance area. Either we break above it for calls or we break under it for puts. But that's what I'm going to be using. If we break under this, I'm going to be targeting 1985. And then after 1985, I'm going to targeting 1914. After 1914, I will be targeting 1769 with a low target of 1836. And after breaking 1836, we can target this next low. And then it'll be this next low at 1668. And then this next low. So guys, watch for those levels to get disrespected. As you can see, the market is getting sold off. Not as we're speaking, but market, news, everything is just not lining up. We're lining up to the downside. On the daily, guys, the point of control is at the 18 area. And we are sitting at the top of that volume profile. We feel that gap right here on the volume profile. And we're coming down to the lower part of the volume profile I'm hoping for. And guys, this September is going to be deadly. I'm going to be telling you that. Very, very bearish. I think so. Very, very, very much myself. So please use your risk management correctly. Those are levels I'm watching for tomorrow, guys, on hood. Netflix, looking down onto the downside, guys. We are double topping at the daily highs. Once again, around that 700 area. Not good, guys. Not very good for Hood. I mean, Netflix. Excuse me, guys. Um, you can see right here we double topping. All we did is wick out these highs. Look at them. Weekly. Weekly looks even bearish. Look. One rejection, two rejection. There's gonna be a third rejection here on the weekly if this decides to go down. If this decides to go down, guys, I think we're gonna go down lower to sweep this low, the 587 low, down to 542 low. You can kind of see where our point of control is sitting, and we're just getting rejected off that high. No bueno. So, guys, the levels to see tomorrow is this low to get broken, this 677.10. After the 677.10, this can flush down to 638 on the daily. But this got space to the downside to, if we break that low to if we break that 677.10 low, I'll be expecting this to go to 658. After 658, actually I lied. After breaking that 677, we can see 667.57. After breaking that 670, we can see 663.34. And then after breaking that, we can see through 658.81. After breaking that, it's just I'm working on the I'm targeting the 200 EMA, guys. I'm targeting the 100 EMA, the 200 EMA, the 300 EMA. I mean 300 EMA, the 1 hour EMA, the second hour. You see how the EMA is dropping lower? That's what I'm targeting. We break those lows, you see how it's moving lower? That's what I'm targeting. And I want to target as the volume profile moves lower. That's what I want to target. You can kind of see where the demand is just not there, man. We're kind of double topping, triple topping on the monthly, on the weekly, with a daily looking downwards on the double top off of breaking this low. But watch those levels to the downside, guys. You can see that Nvidia absolutely disappointed us, guys. Like I said, she disappointed us. Not looking too good. And the after hours right now, guys, she's looking like she's already rejecting off of that second level already. Look, we tapped into in the aftermarket and we just rejected. So essentially, that was that telling me tomorrow. Just look for these highs to get swept and give me the lower lows. After we break out of this, confirmation to the downside. And enter like this, shorts. Level to level, guys. Level to level. Alright, guys. For SPY, you can see we kind of dipped down lower as well. Breaking and closing under the 1 hourly 200 EMA. So at least I'm expecting us to chase this our next hourly low at 548 tomorrow, guys, on these SPYs. We break under that, shish, it's gonna be down skirts to the downside, guys. Down tier to the lower volume profile. Look at that. You see that? And then essentially we're gonna come back down to this point of control right here. But yeah, guys, that's the member of the day. We got some market analysis that we have to go over as well, guys. We got the QQQs. Tech kind of pulling back. Like I said, you can see the QQQs wanting to pull back, guys, back down to those lower lows. So please be careful. We got some sellers stepping around that 471 area, guys. Same thing, guys. Please be careful. Another sign, Warren Buffett is calling the top, question mark. And he sold about $2.82 billion of BAC shares. That is not good. Whenever you see, someone like Warren Buffett selling big amount of shares like that in a big market, aka stock, Berkshire Health. You know what I mean? It is not ideally normal, as you can say. Truly, it's not normal. So please be careful. You can see the days he sold 200 million, 22, 23 million, 143 million, 199 million, 268 million, 437 million, 207 million. You can see the dates. These are little signs. And then we got Piton. Piton lost the CEO because he had to sell his position. Piton, former billionaire. CEO says he lost all his money, so he had to sell his position. Not good. We got the internals not looking too bad. VOD close to the downwards. Same thing. Tick close to the downwards. These are not ideally good for the upside, guys. This is more pressure to the downside. This is more pressure for the index to the downside, for the internals to the downside. ES, look at that balance breakdown. Add, looking down to break down even lower, guys. Be careful here. It's very weak. Index score is weak. Look at that. Russell, Nasdaq, weak. S&P, weak. Be careful. You know, be careful, guys, with these lows, guys. We got Bitcoin here making just absolutely getting rejected and shit on at that 60K level. Think she can go lower here, guys. But I was saying, guys, earnings per share, 68 cents adjusted versus 64. That was a 4 cent beat. On revenue, we beat about just about 2 billion, 2.7 billion. 38.04 billion versus estimates 28.7 billion. Nvidia said it expected about 32.5 billion in current quarter revenue versus 31.7 billion expected by analysts according to Street. According, that would be an increase of 80% from year to year, right? But still, the market is going down, and you can see clearly we want to go lower. We are breaking under, and we are going lower. Like I said, guys, watch these stocks for tomorrow, guys, for the break, either down or watch these stocks to go higher. Not looking too good on the SPX, not looking too good on the QQQs, and not looking good on this SPY. SPY looking. I think the NQ is looking the more bearish. Look, as we're speaking, we're breaking down lower on this fucking NQ here. See that? And we gap down about. No, oh my god, we gap down so much on this NQ. Almost already down 1%, about $200. That is nuts. So, guys, check that out, guys. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. And this is it for this video, guys. If y'all want more videos like this, just comment down below. If y'all have any questions, join the community, guys. Thank y'all so much for giving me the support and being there, guys, and joining the server. Thank y'all for being there for me, guys. And slowly but surely, we are growing. And if you want more recap videos like this about like the ES, NQ, SPX, SQs, and just stuff like that, and just like just let me know. I'll be happy and surely to like give y'all some more videos like this. But just please watch out, guys. We have a hammer candle right here as well. Just watch these levels for tomorrow, guys. These are levels I'm gonna be watching, and just trade accordingly and trade level by level. Thank y'all guys so much for watching, and peace out. Deuces, guys.